All right, this is a review of lesson 7. We're going to be working on 3 problems. I'm going to be doing 2 of the problems first, and then you're going to do the last one on your own. We're going to be doing the place value chart, and we're also going to be doing the partial products to the right. I'd like you to first start off by making a rectangle underneath our problem, and then putting our place value chart in there, so filling it in. So we have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. With this problem, it is 3 times 45. 45 represents 4 tens and 5 ones. So we're going to put in 4 tens and 5 ones. I'm going to do this 3 times. So I've done it 1 time. I'm going to do 45 again. There's 40, 4 tens, and 5 ones. And then 1 more time, because it's 3 groups of 45. So I have 45 1 time, 45 2 times, 1 more group of 40, which is 4 tens, and 5 ones. I'm going to stop here for a moment. Over to the side, I'm going to put 45 times 3. Because with these problems, we're using our place value chart, and we're using the partial products to figure out our answer to our multiplication problem. At this point, you can either pause the video, or if you're all caught up, you can continue watching, and we're going to talk about what the answer is to this problem, and how we can look at our information here and find the answer. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to count up the number of ones that we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, 10, 15 ones. I'm going to put my 15 ones over here in my partial products. So I have 15 ones, and I'm going to count up how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 tens. 12 tens, as we know, if we convert that to standard form, we have 120. 120 goes right here. As I'm working on this, I'd like you to also be doing this on your own paper that you have with you. So at this point, you should be at this point right here. If you're not, hit pause. When you are at this point, then you can continue. I'm going to leave this problem alone for right now. I'm going to go over here. We need to regroup if there are more than 10 items in each of our columns. So if we look here, we can see there's more than 10. We're going to group 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one group of 10. I'm going to circle that. I'm going to move that one group over to my tens column. Put it right down there. I don't have any more groups of tens. I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. I'm going to put my 5 down here. I'm going to do the same thing with my tens. I'm going to see if I can make a group of 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 tens. I'm going to circle those. Remember, I'm going to regroup that or move those over to my hundreds place. So we know 10 tens is equal to 100. Now I'm going to count up, like I did before, my ones. I have 5 ones. I put my 5 here. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 tens. And I have 100. This place value chart is done. My answer to 45 times 3 is 135. I'm going to do the same thing with my partial products. I'm going to add up 15 and 120. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus nothing is 1. I have my answer of 135. Your paper should look like this. If it doesn't, hit pause. When it does look like this, then continue on to the second problem with me. Our second problem, we're going to do just like the first problem. 4 multiplied by 62. I'm going to start off by doing 62 times 4 and put that over here. Then I'm going to make a rectangle, my place value chart, and fill up my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. At this point, I'm going to write 62, or I'm going to represent 62, which we know is 6 tens and 2 ones. So I have 2 ones and 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do this many times, so 4 times. I've done it one time, I'm going to do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens and 2 ones. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 ones. I've done it one time, 2 times, 3 times. This tells me 4 times. I need to do it one more time. And 2 ones. At this point, I'm going to fill out my partial product. So I'm going to count how many ones I have and how many tens I have and put that over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 8 ones goes right there. My tens, same thing. I'm going to put my tens underneath here, converting from my uniform to standard form. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 tens, as we know, is equal to 240. I'm not going to add that up yet. I'm going to continue with my problem over here, and then when I'm finished, I'll go back to this. So I'm going to regroup if I can. Just like we did up here, we regrouped if we could. Can I regroup here? Well, let's start with our ones. Do we have more than 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only have 8. I can put my 8 right here. Move over to my tens. Let's see, it looks like I have a lot more than 10 here. So I'm going to be looking to make groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be careful that you get 10 in there, not any more than 10. Circle the 10. We know 10 tens is equal to 100. So I'm going to move those 10 tens over to make 100. I'm going to do the same thing again because it looks like I have more than 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those 10 will make another 100. So at this point, I have 2 hundreds, I have 4 tens. I'm going to put my 4 tens here that are left. I'm counting up the ones that are left, the ones that aren't circled, the ones I did not regroup, the ones that are left. So I have 4 tens and 2 hundreds. Now 248 appears to be my answer. Let's look at our problem over here and see if it matches. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus nothing is 2. 248, 248. This last problem you're going to do on your own. Make sure you do the place value chart first and then do your partial products along with it. When you are finished, bring your paper, put it on my back table. If you have any questions, I would like you, instead of raising your hand, to go back to this video, go back to our examples, and see if you can use the examples that we did to help you out.